Paul Westsells. I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer of Western Copper and Gold. We're listed on both the TSX and the NYSE market under WRN. We're the company that's developing the billion-ton copper-gold porphyry known as Casino up in the Yukon. Last year was a big year really for the Casino project. At the beginning of 2013, we issued our bankable feasibility study, and that feasibility study showed the project had a $1.8 billion net present value and a 20.1% IRR after tax at long-term conservative commodity prices. Then near the end of the year, well, at the beginning of this year actually, January 3rd, we submitted our permit application, so we're in the permitting process. So that was $18 million we spent on baseline data studies and that to get the permit application in. So we're now sitting about 2 years away from being in a position to start construction on the Casino project. There have been insiders buying for the very simple reason that it's incredibly great value. If you go back and look at our share price, at the end of 2010, beginning of 2011, we were a $4 stock. Last summer, we were a 50-cent stock. What's changed? Absolutely nothing. The project's gotten stronger. It's got a full bankable feasibility study now. It's got a permit application. It's a no-brainer. I picked up a bunch of shares. Our chairman, CEO, Dale, picked up a bunch of shares in the open market. And why not? If they're going to sell it for an eighth of the price, I'll pick it up all day long. So 2014, there's going to be a couple big catalysts. We'll be progressing through the permitting process, and there's going to be some sort of key milestones that we'll hit as we go along that will really signal that we're getting close to the end, and so those will be important to watch out for. But the other thing is, near in the second half of the year, at that point in time, we expect to be about a year away from being ready for construction. So that's really when we'll focus our efforts on putting together the funding package for this project. PDAC, I mean, this is, everyone was a little worried. There's certainly a few empty booths, but I'm surprised really at it's been fairly steady traffic, and there's been pretty good investors. I think who's here is the knowledgeable people. Certainly some of the funds that are in mining are here, and it's been better than we expected.